Hello, my name is David and that's our Cabriovelo. It has been designed for everybody, the full family, travelers, disabled riders. It's for commuting, for going to work. You can take your children to school and go shopping, but also leave for trips and recreation, in bad or sunny weather. Because it's convertible, you ride protected from rain and cold, and switch to cabrio within moments whenever the weather gets better. Enjoy the easy access and regress and the comfortable seat. It has a real trunk, plenty of space for any loading purposes. It comes with lights, blinkers and horn. The eye lever is comparable to cars for optimum safety and visibility. The Cabriovelo is customizable. Even if you hold slight disabilities in your leg, you will fit your Cabriovelo to your needs, and the swiveling seat will be available. Optional electric assistance will help you along the acceleration and the steepest hills. By the front hub motor, the vehicle will be 3-wheel drive. Even on snow, it keeps plenty of traction. The small turning radius enables unthinkable maneuvers in the tiniest places, but the long wheelbase will keep stability at high speed. Driving the Cabriovelo is always safe and exciting experience. Be stylish in your daily transport and your mood life as well. With the Cabriovelo, you are always rare and fashion, but also sustainable. You will fit along your commuting way, you will save your money as well as the environment from noise and pollution.
Hi, my name's Kevin, and I'm the inventor of Motobag. My team and I put together this great new product that's going to change the way the world travels. So, here's the scenario. You just arrived at the airport, you need to make your flight. Do you want to walk or do you want to ride? And here we go. Today, we have the Motobag. It's 3 times faster than walking. It's TSA and FAA compliant, so you can actually fly with it. Goes right into your overhead, 22 by 14 by 9. You got 85% of the storage space that you'd have from a regular carry-on. It's able to charge your devices. You have an optional GPRS, GSM tracking mechanism, so you can keep track of your luggage wherever it is and never have to worry about losing it again. It really changes your experience at an airport. So what do you think for next trip? Motobag?
Yeah. Motobag, for sure.
Awesome. It all started a few years back after I went to this little family of breakdancers. As we're going through the airport, we're loaded up with backpacks and all the different gear, and the boys are taking turns as I'm pulling my carry-on, riding on top of it. All of a sudden I got the idea, you know what? Why not motorize these? What a better way to get around. Well, I was going to need some help, and the first person I thought of was my buddy Boyd.
We just got back from Daytona 200, we won, and Kevin came with this idea about the Motobag. And I looked at it and I thought, wow, this is a great idea. And I said we could motorize this. So immediately we went out and started getting some parts. One of the biggest hurdles was fitting all of this into a carry-on size bag. We wanted to retain at least 85% of the interior. We've got CNC machine steering column, telescoping aluminum bars, foot pegs that pop out. We've got a lot of stuff that isn't on anything that's currently on the market.
A planet that's 71% water, yet we've only explored 10% of it. We're about to change that. The Fathom 1 is an easy-to-use underwater drone that you control with your smartphone or tablet. We designed it to be the most affordable, most versatile underwater drone ever made. And after 2 full years of prototyping and development, we're finally ready to bring underwater exploration and education to the masses. I'm John.
I'm Matt. And I'm Danny. And we're a team of outdoor enthusiasts, scuba divers, engineers, and travelers that had an idea for an underwater drone that we could take anywhere and use in any environment. I grew up spending summers on Lake Louise in northern Michigan, where a lot of large logging operations took place in the 1800s. Jump forward 200 years and now every cottage has artifacts and pieces of history on their walls that washed up on the beach. But there are still legends of horse-drawn sleds that fell through the ice and got stuck at the bottom, just waiting to be explored. I thought if I could control an aerial drone from a mobile app to explore from above, why couldn't I do the same thing from underwater? That's when Fathom was born.
Underwater remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, have been around for a while, but they're mainly large, expensive industrial devices tethered to big ships. And early consumer ROVs, inspired by their big brothers, cost well over $1,000 with no mobile app for piloting. And you need to be a pretty good hacker to put them together.
We knew we wanted an underwater drone that anyone could drop into any body of water and pilot easily using an app on their smart device. And it had to be small and light enough to carry around, meaning a completely new compact design. It had to come fully assembled out of the box, including an onboard 1080p HD camera and built-in high-intensity LED headlights for clear viewing. And it had to be as affordable as lower-cost flying drones with comparable equipment so that every modern-day explorer could have one. We built the Fathom One with all of those features, and thanks to custom components and a streamlined design, now you can have it for under $600. That's less than half the price of the closest competition.
Above all, we made the Fathom One super easy to use, but that doesn't mean it's limited. This thing is fully modular. Our patent-pending thruster attachment system allows you to easily remove all 3 thrusters for packing, but it also enables customization and upgrades to specialized thrusters, such as these ones with larger fins for stabilization. Fathom One also features an integrated rail system that makes adding accessories like action cameras and additional lights or other sensors a breeze. Just slide it on, click it in, and you're ready to go.
Fathom is your chance to go deep and see the world in an entirely new way. The possibilities are truly endless. What can you fathom?
Introducing BopPad, the most advanced electronic drum pad ever. BopPad is a location and pressure-sensitive drum controller with a wicked-fast playing surface. The pad may be split into 4 regions that have different sounds and timbre maps, making one BopPad take care of many percussive goals. BopPad's innovative architecture creates an instrument that sees every gesture, hit, or tap, making BopPad respond to the nuances of your playing. BopPad is accessible to everyone. It's easy to get started. Just plug and play via USB with any mobile device, laptop, or desktop computer. BopPad works with all music software. BopPad can be played with sticks, hands, or any convenient object. Play BopPad like a traditional drum by triggering a single sound from the entire surface, or build out a drum kit by assigning a different sound to each quadrant. Smoothly varying radial sensing from center to edge, along with continuous pressure response, can be mapped to any parameter, allowing for both traditional and experimental styles of play. We built BopPad with travel in mind. Its rugged, compact, portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go creativity. Measuring 10 inches in diameter and weighing less than a pound, you can toss BopPad in a bag and play anywhere. BopPad was designed for ease of use, perfect for the beginning drummer, while offering advanced features for the demanding performer.